guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my supremely huge makeup and skincare haul. We have had sales all over the internet and I really wanted to try my hands on a lot of products, so I got everything. This is more of like a haul video than a review video, but I'm going to be giving you all small reviews here and there so as to the products which I've actually tried. And here are a lot of products which are promised by a lot of influencers, so I'm actually looking forward to try most of the products and see the magic they'll do on my skin. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, initially I thought first I'll show you makeup and then skincare, but everything is in these boxes and it's going to take forever to segregate them. So I'm going to be opening one by one and just going to be showing you the products, or I'll be giving you a review if I have actually tried them out. So let me first open this box right here. The thing which I have is the Bobbi Brown's Luxe Lip Color Mini Duo. This is how the packaging looks like. I don't really own any of Bobbi Brown products, so I really wanted to give this one a try. This for two lipsticks, it retails for 2,000 rupees. These are the two lipsticks which we have. One is a red color and one is a berry color. I have swatched them for you here. If you can see, this is the red one and this is the berry one. Haven't tried them on the lips yet, but I just swatched them on my hands 5 minutes ago. I couldn't wait to film this video and I've just done that. I'm sorry, I didn't do any other things. And coming to the next product, we have the Farsali's Daydream Set Malvika. I have seen Malvika Sitlani use this all the time. So we have three essences in this. We have the Unicorn Essence, we have the Skin Tune plus Blood Essence, and we have the Volcanic Essence. This is how it looks like. This package retails for 1,750 rupees for three products, which I thought was decent. Then when I opened the product, it is like supremely small. As you can see, it is like as small as my little finger. I don't know what comparisons am I even doing. We have these. We have the three essences which look like this, as you can see. And I've actually opened them and I haven't really tried them out because I really wanted to do like a really nice makeup and then I'm going to try them out. And when I open the quantity, I feel like even if I use like the most minimalistic quantity, they won't each essence won't last for more than 3 to 5 times. I'm not even sure of that, but I really like that is okay. Like their travel size, like if we like a product, we can buy a full size of it. That is what we have in our first box. And coming here, we have the Glam Glow Glow Essentials Mask Plus Moisture. This is how it looks like, and this one retails for 1,800 rupees. I always wanted to get my hands on Glam Glow, but they were supremely expensive and my heart wasn't accepting to spend so much money on these products. Now that we have it for a little better price, so I thought why not try my hands on them, and if I really absolutely love the product and make it my holy grail, then I'll convince my heart and invest in the full size product. So in here we have the Glam Glow Super Mud. I think this is a mud face mask. This is how it looks like. And then we have the Glam Glow's Mud Brightening Treatment. I think this is like a cream. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And then we have the Glam Glow's Glow Starter. This you are supposed to put before makeup, or even this is okay, so that this gives you a really nice glow. And coming to the price point, I think this particular product is pretty decent for 1,800 rupees as compared to the products of Glam Glow. It is I'm not telling it is cheap in like any way, but Glam Glow, going with the price of Glam Glow, getting three products for 1,800 rupees, I think it's a really good deal. And then we have the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is how it looks like. I have literally seen all the people who are into gaga over this lip sleeping mask. This is how it looks like. This is in the flavor berry. I have actually tried this one out. As you can see, I have used a lot of product. I have been using this for a week. Again guys, it is a really nice product, totally justifies all the hype behind it. You know, I don't know if it's going to like lighten your lips, and it won't really I think it will work eventually, I'm not sure of that. But if you have like really chappy dry lips, you know, you're going to be having those nice smooth plumpy lips exactly the next day. You know, a lot of products work when you apply it for 3 to 4 times, but this thing in one day does the job which you want. It gives you really nice smooth soft plumpy lips the next day. This one retails for 500 rupees. I actually should have waited for the sale, but you know, I got this a week before the sale and I could save 50 rupees on the sale. On sale it was for 450 rupees, but I actually got this for 500 rupees. Coming to the next product, we have the Clinique set. This is how it looks like. I really wanted to try my hands on the Clinique Moisture Surge because of all the hype we had. This entire box retails for 2,700 rupees. This is how it looks like. In this we have the Clinique Moisture Surge, then we have the Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, and then we have the Moisture Surge eye cream. I've actually tried this one. This is the Overnight Mask. Guys, I am obsessed. Like, I woke up, mine is like a Sahara Desert dry skin, so I've used this day before yesterday and it did wonders on my skin. The next day when I woke up, I really felt like I had a really nice facial or something. It really left my skin super hydrated, and at the same time it gave me a really nice glow. I could actually see my skin a lot brighter than it usually is. So yeah guys, I would even if this is over, I would totally, you know, look forward and invest on the full size product. Then we have this little Moisture Surge 96-hour hydrate eye cream. This is how it looks like. It is supremely tiny and very cute actually. I haven't tried this one out. I would actually try this one out tonight. So actually guys, if you want me to like review any of the products or anything, I'll be doing that I could totally make a separate video on it. So let me know down in the comment section below if you want to watch reviews of any products. I'll be happy to do that, and if you're obviously gonna be supremely honest. And then we have the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is how it looks like. I'm guessing it is a full size product, and I got the entire kit for 2,700, so it is like a really decent thing. I haven't tried this out yet. I will try it out today or tomorrow. I'm actually super excited to try it out. They actually gave the Clinique this sample, and I actually forgot to show you. And then we have the Bobbi Brown sample. It is a Bobbi Brown's primer. These are all the free things which I got because I purchased those products. And then we have a sample of Clinique Moisture Surge. And then with this Glam Glow pack which I showed you, they actually gave this really cute holographic pouch. This is how it looks like. I can put my makeup and skincare whenever I travel, or you know, stuff like that. So yeah, I really liked it so much. I am a sucker for holographic these days. Now coming to this all of the other things I got from Nykaa, but this is from Sugar. My mom is obsessed with Sugar, so again with this we should have waited for a little while, but you know, we were too eager to buy things, so we got all of these before sale started and we had to pay the entire price for them. So yeah, it's like a collective haul. I didn't get all of these at the same time. I got these like a week or 10 days earlier, and then Nykaa sale started and my mood was off because you know, I could have just waited for a little while to buy these products and you know, save like a hell lot of money. So we have like a lot of products in here. I'll just show you whatever comes into my hand. This is how it looks like. Guys, this is actually a liquid lipstick. This is how it looks like, and this one retails for 799 rupees. Can you see that? It is like a really nice pink. I haven't tried any of these out. We were actually not at our home. We went to our farmhouse, whose tour is already on my channel if you haven't seen already. So yeah, we went there for a little while, and then we came back yesterday. Actually, like a eyeshadow stick. This is how it looks like. This is how the color looks like. If you can see, it is an eyeshadow. We got these sugar minis. This is how the box looks like. This the pack of 4 retail for, I guess, 799 rupees. So we have like 4 mini lipsticks in here. I'll just quickly show you all the colors. So guys, this is the first color, and this shade is called as Rethink Pink. The second color looks like this, if you can see, and this is called as the Brazen Raisin. Cute names. And then we have this color, which is called as Toast Roast. And here's the last color, which is called as Drop Dead Red. I am a red person, guys. A video is coming up on this Saturday related to red lipsticks, so subscribe. So yeah, guys, these are the 4 minis which we got, and we got like a lot. Like, let me even show you how many. My mom is obsessed with their crayons, and we have like 8 crayons, and let me just swatch everything quickly for you guys. This is the first shade, 35 Claire Red Field, and then this is called as this is the shade 24 Rachel Berry. These are the matte as hell crayon lipsticks, and this is the third shade is called as 21 Rose Tyler TYLER. Fourth one is this like a really nice brown. It is in the shade 36 Veronica Mars. You can see the fifth one, that is in the shade 22 Donna Pinciotti. I'm not sure that is how it's pronounced. Then we have this really nice grape color, which is called as Poison Ivy. I really like the way this looks on my hand. I can't wait to try it on my lips. So this is the next shade, and it is called as 02 Mary Poppins. Next, this is the next shade. It's a really nice deep pink with like a really nice brown undertone. This is called the shade is 12 Baby Houseman. All of these lip crayons retail for 899 rupees. So we have 8 shades of these, and then we have the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. This is how the Smudge Me Not lipstick looks like. This is in the shade Pink Ink. This is how the color looks like. Oh my god, it's such a gorgeous pink. It retails for 499 rupees. And then we have the matte lip color. This is in the shade Silk Sangria, and this is how the shade looks like. It's a really nice pink again. And then we have another matte lip color, which is called as 14 Tartan Tangerine. I love tangerines. This is how the color looks like. It looks like a really nice coral orange, coral tangerine, if you want to call it that. This one retails for 799 rupees, and we have gotten like a lot of sharpeners for every lip crayon. So yeah, these are all the things we got from Sugar. I'm a little closer to you, I guess. Okay, wait, let me come a little more closer. And actually, I missed this one from that box. This is the Smashbox Smashbox in collaboration with Shobita Dulipala. So these are the 2 shades. The red one is called as Bounce, and this is how the red shade looks like. This kit retail for 990 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this kit retails for 990 rupees for 2 lipsticks, which is okay. Then we have the Gulabe, and this is how the color looks like. I have actually used this in my last video, if you have seen it. It is about the makeup, the only makeup products you need which are not high-end, super affordable, and are really effective. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll place the link down in the description box to check that out. This is the lipstick that I'm actually wearing in that video. And now let's go to this box right here. I got like Bath and Body Works has recently launched on Nykaa, so I just quickly picked few products. This is their aromatherapy range. This is the aromatherapy love jasmine. This is actually a body lotion. This is how it looks like. I personally am a fan of Bath and Body Works, and if you're not sure what fragrances you want to buy in Bath and Body Works, I actually have a video on that. I'll place that in the description box below so that you can check that out and try out products. So we have this, and with this only I have the aromatherapy shower gel, which is in the same variant. I actually used it once. This has a really nice calming smell. It's not supremely strong, and if you guys are not really into strong fragrances, then you can go for that one. It is pretty smoothing, and I actually wanted the eucalyptus one, but it was out of stock again. One retails for 1299 rupees, but I'm sure I got it for like a lesser price. I'll just place all the prices down in the description box below so you can exactly know for what prices I got, and I don't really want to mess it up. Room freshener from Bath and Body Works. The room fresheners last for a really good amount of time, and I have these unique fragrances. So I personally love mahogany. So I picked up the mahogany teakwoods room freshener. This is how it looks like. I don't really own any hair perfume, and I really wanted to try my hands on one. So I got the Bath and Body Works 1000 Wishes shimmer hair perfume. This is how it looks like. It has a really nice fragrance, guys. It is extremely strong though. Those are the 4 products I got from Bath and Body Works. And then I got a sleeping mask from Dot and Key. This is how it looks like. I wanted to get my hands on Dot and Key for a really long time. They have the cutest packaging ever, and as you can see, I have been using this for a week. I started using this and lip mask at the same time. I got all of these at the same time, to be honest, a week before Nykaa sale. But you know, the sale was actually on Bath and Body Works. So guys, this is the texture of this mask. It is really it is very light and watery on the skin. Personally, it's an okay product, you know. I won't say it is like a supremely amazing product or anything like that. It does give you hydration to your skin, but you know, as soon as you know wash your face and all that hydration is gone, when you apply it and wake up the next day, you have like a really nice skin. And then as soon as you wash it, you know, all of your dryness comes back. So I'm not really sure how I actually feel about it yet, and I haven't been using it for the past 2 days again. So I'll just stick to it for a little while, and if you want me to give you all a better review, I can do that for you. And that is all. And then we have our last box, and here we have the Innisfree Must Have Hero, and here we have the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. This is how it looks like. This box retails for 1999 rupees, 2000 rupees, and in this we have these 2 products. This is the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum, and then we have the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. This is how it looks like. I have seen a lot of hype on this product, and I haven't really tried it out yet. I'm actually trying out the sleeping masks first, and then I want to go there. But I actually tried this Tea Seed Serum once. To be honest, I still don't understand like what this does. I applied it and I didn't really see. I just used it once, so I'm not justifying my statement whatsoever. But for the one time I tried, you know, I haven't really found any difference. So I don't know, maybe I should you know, work on it a little bit more so that I can give you all a better review. And then I got this L'Oreal Paris, we had the Duo, no? It has a Rogue Signature lipstick. This is in the shade 121 I Choose. This is how the color looks like. As you can see, it's like a really nice cute little color. You can see my hand, it's filled with swatches. It is like a duo which retails for 799 rupees. And then we have the Luminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I haven't ever tried my hands on it, and as you can see, it's like brand new and haven't really tried it out, and I actually heard good things about it, so I'm really excited to try this out. The Innisfree Jeju, I don't know, Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam. I actually wanted the Face Shop one, but it was not on sale, and it has like a pretty similar ingredients. So I went for this one. This retails for 650 rupees. This is how it looks like. I tried it once. I don't know how I feel about it. Mine is like a really dry skin, and it dried my skin even more, or I don't know, like I just tried it once, so I really cannot justify my statement again. Then we have the Dot and Keys Vitamin C Serum Concentrate. This is how the packaging looks like. This is how the serum is on the inside. This is how it looks like. It has these serum pump where you need to, and this is the serum, as you can see. Have actually tried it once. I think it is like I'm not sure if this is like a chemical exfoliation, so I'm kind of still not very confident upon using this. I just want to do like a little more research before I use it. I used it once, and I don't know, I don't really think I know exactly how to use it, so it wasn't a success. Then we have, oh yeah, we are done with the haul. And then for no reason I just wanted to buy this. This was for 98 rupees, and I am always looking forward to try out new perfumes and everything. So this is called as the Your Lovely perfume, and look how cute this is. How cute. It's actually a glass bottle. I was about to drop it. Okay, this is how it looks like. It has a supremely nice smell. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. I just smelled it with the bottle, and I haven't worn it out, so I'm not really sure if it's long lasting, this or that. But come on guys, it retails for 98 rupees. So what else can I even think of it? So yeah, this is pretty much it. Oof, that was a super big haul. So that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because that will mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to review more products, or if you want me to buy and review any other products. I would be happy to do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. I have to clean it up.